pleasant morning to everyone present here. Today we are here to present a skit on respect nature and civic properties. My team number is 5. Now we are going to introduce ourselves. I am Pawan Teach. I am going to act as judge.
I am Yeshwant. My characters are cloud and water.
My name is Vashikar. My characters are tree, tiger and also bench clerk.
My name is Jay and my role is A.
I am Lakshmi Prasanna. I am going to act as man and girl.
Ladies and gentlemen, the court session is about to begin. Please maintain silence.
Here is a play how the nature is respected and the civic properties should be protected.
The first complaint. Man.
My lord, recently some trees in the backyard of my house is fallen down suddenly, damaging many things at home. Also, after eating the fruits and vegetables in my garden, my son's health fallen sick. Now I am buying vegetables in the market, but they are too costly. So I need compensation to bear my loss.
Okay, who should pay compensation?
Obviously, trees for falling and damaging my house, plants for spoiling my son's health, government for making prices hike so much. My complaint is against all of these.
Okay, let's call one after the other. The leader of the tree may be called first.
Tree.
Tree, what is your answer? Have you appointed any lawyer to fight your case?
No, my lord. Lawyer wants money to fight my case. Money made of paper made from me. I am not ready to work myself to pay. So I am fighting my own case. My lord, I am not culprit. Actually, I am in pain because my fellow trees fall down. My complaint is against the cloud.
Against cloud? What did he do to you?
He is showering all poisonous rain to us. Our health is getting worse every day. The same poison is entering into fruits and vegetables. We want him to showering pure water on us. We are becoming weaker and falling down.
What do you want to say?
My lord, I need compensation from the cloud.
Do you have anything to say, cloud? If so, come to the witness box and say.
It is not my mistake, my lord. Water that comes from the earth and gets condensed and away. The clouds are formed. I shower the same water back.
So whom do you blame?
You should ask water, my lord. It comes impure from the earth.
Let me inquire. Call the water.
Water.
Yes, my lord.
Water. Cloud is alleging that you go impure and form the clouds. We all think that rainwater is the purest form of water. Why do you go impure?
My lord, does anyone want to get dirty and pure? So don't I. When I start my journey from rivers and seas, I break myself into small particles and evaporated. I start flying upwards.
Why didn't you form the clouds in the same way?
I have the answer, my lord. I come across so many dangerous gases in the air. They all join me and make me poisonous.
Can't you go away from them?
Even if try and that succeed, while falling as the rain, they again join me. I cannot escape at that time.
So you are the innocent and you blame the air that contains poisonous gases.
Exactly, my lord. I am not be blamed. Air is the culprit.
You may leave now, water. Find and call the air.
Air.
Hello, Mr. Benchicler. Why are you shouting? I am already here.
Order. All right, there is a complaint against you.
Yes, my lord. Conservation with you. Yes, my lord, I listen to you. Conversation with water.
Why do you pollute water particles? Let them shower as pure raindrops.
My lord, what do you get by polluting them? But I am helpless.
What is that helplessness? Why do you have this many poisonous gases in you?
My lord, I was pure, but this man does not leave me pure. He runs so many factories, so many factories and drives so many vehicles. All poison gases are added to me.
Man, come to the witness box.
My lord, it is true that I drive vehicles and run factories. How else we want to live? Like a wild animals. They are entering into our homes and cities and killing us.
Objection, my lord, I want to speak.
Objection sustained. Yes, Mr. Tiger, whatever you want to speak, come to the witness box and say.
My lord, who is the wild animal? Man is the one who is entering into our forest and cutting trees. He is hunting us. When we are homeless, where else we should run? We are entering into cities and houses.
I am getting confused. The man complains on trees, trees on water, water on clouds, clouds on air, and air. Animals on man again. Then who is culprit then?
My lord, please give me permission to speak.
Permission granted. You may speak.
Man, no one else, my lord. Man is a culprit. We know that the ecology is all about interaction between the parts of the nature, like air, water, wind, birds, everything. Even if one of them is creating problems, no one would be happy. We know that the government is none but ourselves. We should respect and protect our own properties, like roads, street lights, everything belongs to us, the people.
I agree. Man is a culprit. What punishment do you suggest to him?
Punishing does not help. He should correct his mistakes.
We should live like an animal without any facilities.
No, just live like a human being. A true and complete human being who is sensible and sensitive. Imagine how you feel when someone destroys your houses, you and roads. The animals feel the same way. Imagine how you feel when someone poured the hot acid on your head. The plants feel the same way. Be sensitive. Imagine how you feel when someone forcibly make to drink the poison. The water feels the same way. Just live as a part of the nature.
My dear friends, respect the nature and civic properties. The trees never harm us by not giving oxygen. Clouds never harm us by not stopping rain. If we try to harm the nature, nature will harm us. I hope you enjoy this skit. Thank you everyone.